I'll never forget. I really like the mustard flavor.
But the Scotch bonnet.
It's really, really hot. Okay, we've now hit the stage where this is
Uncharted territory.
uncharted territory. I think this is the hottest thing I've ever eaten. Am I allowed to hold water in my mouth just for a minute?
Well, especially for this one, because we have a nice long wind up on this one, Margo. So as we've touched on, you're deeply involved in this film. I know that it's your baby and it was important to you to give Harley Quinn a girl squad. Well, guess what? In anticipation of this interview, we have reached out to some of your co-stars to get the inside baseball on Birds of Prey directly from the source. So here they are, the birds. And up first, we have Journey Smollett Bell with a question for Margo.
Margo, for me, the most challenging thing about shooting Birds of Prey and playing Black Canary was obviously the stunts. Those kicks kicked my ass. What was the most challenging part for you in playing Harley?
My mouth is on fire. I can barely concentrate. The most challenging part of playing Harley was maybe the stunt stuff was really hard. I mean, we had to. I think I have to have milk now.
Go for it. Go for it. All right. Up next,
Okay.
we have Mary Elizabeth Winstead, and she has a question for you, Margo.
Hey, Margo.